key for the last song. So let's do one more song for them too, okay? Okay, we'll do one more song. Thank you guys so very much. A blessed season once again to each and every one of you. Until we see you again, we're going to be selling the CDs just over yonder over there. So I'd love to meet each and every one of you, and thank you all. Once again, how's about a hand for all the hula that we had as well? Isn't that wonderful? So we end with this song, one of our very favorites. If it isn't one of yours, it soon will be. A song that we recorded on our very first record. The very first song that they played on the radio back in the year 2000. And we're very blessed in the year 2001.
That was my favorite year, 2000.
Where were you in 2000?
Yeah, I graduated high school.
Graduated high school. You're killing me, kid. Killing me, well.
Me too.
Yeah, you too, yeah. High school. High school is the best 7 years of his life.
9 years, 12th grade.
Finally got it right, dude.
I wasn't privileged enough to have them play at my graduation party, but
We would have Richard.
No, you know why? Because he had Capella.
Yeah.
You kind of look alike, but.
oh yeah, that's right. Two Portuguese.
Two Portuguese. So we end with this song that started it all from Mauna Lua. God bless each and every one of you until we see you again. Oyo Malama Pono. And aloha, guys. Merry Christmas.